Have you ever wanted to post a story on Facebook or Instagram that has that cool typewriting effect, you know, where one letter pops up at a time, maybe without music or with music, your choice? Well, you're in luck because today kicks off a 4-week series where I'm going to be using the app MOJO to teach you some really cool stories, tips, tricks, and hacks for your business. That said, these don't take a lot of time to create. A lot of them you can do in about 30 seconds. And the typewriting effect on your stories is what we're digging into today. Parisi Pack Tutorials. Hey, welcome back. I'm Steph from the Parisi Pack with another tutorial to help you grow your profits and stand out online in your network marketing business. I can't wait to show you how to do this. I know you're busy, so remember to subscribe and hit that bell and let's dive in.
So the other day I got a text from my friend Davita, and she asked me, do you know how to create the page where it looks like it's being typed? So she was watching a story from Amy Porterfield, and as you're gonna see, we're scrolling through some of her stories. It's just an example. I've been seeing it, but I want to know how to do it. You know, great idea for a tutorial. And I was like, hey, you're right. This is a good idea. I'm sure I have an app that can do it, and let me tinker, I'll find out. So she sent me that at about 1:27 in the afternoon. And I was nursing my son Jake at the moment. And then I started tinkering and I made this. So a fun little story that I sent her back in seconds. And she was like, yep, you nailed it. And she's like, hey, it only took you 3 minutes. And I was like, actually, it was a lot less because during the time I was putting Jake down to sleep and I wiped my toddler's booty because, hey, mom life, keeping it real for you. So I want to show you how to do this too, the letter by letter typewriting effect. I'm going to open up the app MOJO, okay? And you're going to see I have the paid version, but the free version allows you to create in the vertical format. So on MOJO, pull up just a blank page. Here, when you click that button, you can see that you can change the template, okay? So the design that you want, we're gonna just leave it blank for now. You can do totally different colors, okay? You can do a background photo, design, image. So here you have your background. Now you're gonna add in your text. So you're gonna hit the plus sign button. Okay, and we are going to go to caption. And it's the very first one that says a caption displayed with typewriting effect. And I'm going to select it. And then I'm gonna get rid of this. And then I'm gonna enter in my own text. But say I wanna change the font. Okay, so I want a different font. So you're gonna come down here to the bottom and there's a lot of different fonts that you can use. So I am going to select one that looks a little bit more like the font I use on a regular basis in my business and that stands out so it makes it easy to read, right? Something that like that, hard to read. You don't want that. People aren't going to take the time if it's too difficult to read. So you want one that stands out. I'm going to choose this, and then you can choose the size of the font that you want, how big you want to make it. Okay, so I want it to fill a fair amount of the space, but first I'm going to make my alignment center because I like that. So, and you can see it's all displaying one at a time. Pretty cool, right? What if you want to add music to this? Pretty simple. The app has a bunch of free music that you can add on. And there you have it. If you want to learn more cool stories hacks, join my free 5-day challenge. It's called Create Stories That Sell. I will drop the link to that in the pinned comment of this video. And that is how to do the cool typewriting text effect in your stories. I'll be back next week with another cool trick on how to use MOJO. In the meanwhile, sign up for my free 5-day challenge, Create Stories That Sell.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check out my channel for some other Facebook tutorials and then head on over to stephanieparisi.com to grab something free that'll help you win even more on social media. Share this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified when I release another video next week.